Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to view your YouTube TV bill in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Sign in with the Google account linked to your subscription. Next, click your profile icon in the top right, then select Settings. From there, go to the Billing section. Here, you'll see your current subscription, next billing date, and payment history, including charges and receipts. The base subscription is typically $82.99 per month, though new users might get a promotional rate of $72.99 for the first 3 months. YouTube TV offers over 100 channels, unlimited DVR space for 9 months, and supports up to 6 accounts with 3 simultaneous streams. For a detailed invoice, click View Transactions to open each billing record. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly check your YouTube TV bill. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.